it is? It's time for a big deal. You guys, 7,000 have already been ordered since its launch. This is DreamJeannes. Yeah, 7,000 since its launch a week ago. Yep. People are going gaga because these are fun, fresh, and flattering. They're also an incredible value. Big deal price, $50.98. 3 easy payments of $16.99. We have both regular and short inseams. We have extra small through 5X. A total classic, but then made extra special because of that scallop hem and that signature sparkle. Let's look at our color choices. This is medium wash. Here we have our white choice. Here is sand. This is shadow pink. And then we have dark indigo. So the regular inseam is 25, short is 23, 96% cotton, 4% span. Angel's getting ready to do her famous DreamJeannes spiel. Let's talk about DreamJeannes though, in case we have brand new friends.
Absolutely. Yeah. So DreamJeannes have kind of become a little bit of a revolution here for Quacker Factory at QVC. Jean Bice, our founder, she just got tired of wearing denim for decades. She was like, no, it's too uncomfortable. No. Then she would come to QVC and be like, everybody looks so cute in their jeans. I want to feel young and hip too. Oh, but I don't like that fabric that I gave up.
Right, exactly.
So she found this fabric and said, oh, game changer.
Right.
And I cannot be the only one that feels this way. So this is 96% cotton, 4% spandex. It's a knit French terry that we dye to look like denim. Every DreamJeanne item has that signature heart. When we introduced DreamJeannes here at QVC, it was in September of 2010.
Yeah.
We started with 3 silhouettes. Since then, we now have over 100, this being the newest. Yep. This being the next to newest, right? They came in the same month, so they count, blah, blah, blah.
Yes.
Right? Over 100. And we've sold over 4.8 million DreamJeannes.
A lot of people feel the same exact way Jean Bice felt. They thought their days of wearing denim were behind them.
Yes.
But I'm telling you right now, this is the most comfortable. I say they're jeans, they're not really jeans.
No, they're not. They're French terry.
They're French terry, but my goodness, they are wearing a disguise. And the disguise is that of denim, stretchy, comfortable. I love that pull-on design.
Exactly. This is our classic waistband, fully elasticized waistband, 5 pockets, and then that detail at the leg. So these fit more like a slim leg. Okay, so it's just gonna ease down your body and open at the ankle. Adorned with those beautiful rhinestones. Now, we have 2 inseams.
Yes.
Regular, 25 inches.
You're right.
And short, 23 inches with the inseam.
Yeah.
So like your pants, you can customize where you want these to hit you on the leg. Why? Because we call it short. The rises are the same in the short and the regular. These are not a true petite. If these were a true petite, the rise and the inseam would be shorter to accommodate a petite figure. But we don't do that. That's why ours are called short. We're the only brand here at QVC that has a short. Okay, so I think that's why these have been so popular.
Well, we see that perfect example like magic on our gorgeous girls, Crystal and Adrienne. So we see Crystal, who's 5'6", and she's wearing regular.
Crystal's 5'3".
5'3". I'm sorry, I don't know why I said 5'6".
That's my dream.
And
but I'm wearing regular.
Yay!
Regular.
I love it.
So you can see exactly what we're talking about there.
Yes.
She's wearing the regular, so for her, that's like that perfect ankle jean.
Yes. Well, I have to tell you, Chelsea, you know, I interact with our customers all the time on social media, and often they'll say, Angel, even your short boot cuts with a 28-inch inseam, they're still too long for me. What can I do? So I always direct them to our ankle pants or our crop pants so you can customize. Especially the short tends to be really popular. So I'm so happy that Crystal is wearing the regular length. Because you can see that's a full length pant for her.
Exactly.
I'm sorry, I'm just talking because I could talk about this for an hour.
Yes, let's do it.
Last year we introduced a similar pair in January at like 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. They were so popular, I don't think we had them on air again. If we did, it was like real quick, right? So the team said, oh, let's bring these back in a big way. Hence the big deal.
And that's what we're giving you right there. Adrienne, are you wearing the regular?
Yes.
So Adrian is 5'9". You can see where it is on Adrian. It's like that perfect crop length.
Yes.
But let's talk about that hem at the bottom, because that's where this is so special. That beautiful little scallop detail and that little bit of sparkle.
It's just, you know, that little quintessential Quacker touch that makes you look great from head to toe, whether you have a little sparkle on top and then you have a little sparkle at the bottom. It's also a great length so you can show off all of your really fun, super cute shoes.
Yes, it kind of gives that spotlight. So we're looking at Adrian and Crystal. Adrian is 5'9". She's wearing size large in that shadow pink option.
Yes.
Crystal is 5'3". She's 6 feet tall on her heart, but she's 5'3". She's wearing the regular inseam as well, so you can see how it fits differently. We do have a short option, which is 23. These are the dream jeans that you're going to feel good wearing all day long. Great color choices. Shadow pink. We have this top coming up. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? I just threw all my cards on the floor with my excitement. That is shadow pink. Here's that medium wash. Then we have our white choice. Oops, thank you, darling. Our sand and dark indigo. It's A681563. Give us a call. Visit us on QVC.com or tap that app. You guys, I worked out today, and so every time I bend over, I'm afraid I'm not going to come back up again. Okay, let's talk.
Wait for it.
About something special.
Wait for